This is Project Nature's Defender, an ECD custom electric drivetrain Defender 110 built to our client's exact specifications. Nature's Defender is painted in full gloss grassmere green color with silver accents all around. Nature's Defender sits on 16-inch Wolf wheels painted in body color with BFG all-terrain tires. This electric 110 features a 4-point external roll cage, classic front bumper, one winch, and ECD custom silver metal steering guard. On the inside, Project Nature's Defender features a Momo Model 78 steering wheel with Tesla EV gauges, 2 Recaro Expert front and mid-row seats, and 2 forward-facing jump seats in the rear. Each seat is wrapped in single vertical diamond stitch with Garrett Torino moonshine leather stitched together in Garrett shade. This electric drivetrain is powered by our Tesla electric motor with 450 horsepower and direct drive. Project Nature's Defender also features an array of modern elements such as Infinity Kappa audio sound system, Apple CarPlay, wireless charger, and access to USB ports throughout. It is indeed a remarkable and striking looking vehicle, which we're proud to showcase.